Bees teach us more than we think. Bees have been on Earth for more than 100 million years. During these millions of years, they have developed intelligent behaviors that allowed them to survive in nature. Human beings have intelligence and freedom, but unfortunately, we have not always used them well, neither for ourselves nor for other species, and we are destroying the Earth, the only ship that allows us to navigate through space. It is time for us to get off our arrogance as superior beings and start learning from the other passengers who share our journey. Bees teach us a lot. For example, social feeling. The bee is a social being. It lives for the community to which it belongs. It is willing to give its life for its community, as do the bees that attack the enemy. But at the same time, its community offers it what it needs, which is why it has a social stomach. When a bee feels hungry, everyone comes to feed it because they all feel hungry. Each one develops the necessary tasks for the community according to its possibilities and to the need of the community. The need of the community makes the function. But within that perfect social structure, due to the need for survival, they cannot take care of the sick and dying, so they throw them out of the hive. They also teach us energy saving. The bee does not waste energy unnecessarily. It chooses among the different nectars offered by the explorers to the one that is closest and has a greater amount of sugar. It does not fly to sources of nectar that are very far away because they know that the energy they expend is more than the energy they bring. Another lesson from bees is not to consume above your needs. There are no fat bees. They eat according to what they need and the functions they must perform within the hive. The meaning of savings. By not consuming more than their needs, they can accumulate food for the time of scarcity. Harmony with all living things. Bees do not destroy the environment in which they live. They know how to work in harmony with the plants they help in fertilization. If they attack, it is because they feel attacked. They defend themselves. They do not start wars. For bees, community information is essential. Through trophallaxis and pheromones, the colony is kept perfectly informed of its needs. There is no false or interested information. The defense of community property. Bees defend the food reserves of the community. They have a sense of community property. Defense from the entry of strangers. Bees defend their hive from the entry of strangers, or unless there are disoriented bees that return from the field loaded with nectar or pollen, and then they let them enter without problems. Let's learn that bees must be well fed. Like all living beings, bees need correct nutrition to be good producers. The mortality of hives in recent years shows us that the beekeeper, according to the neoliberal model, has plundered the honey hives and has tried to make them live on sugar syrup. Another video from Beekeeping Without Borders for beekeepers around the world.